just did a little jog. Back with another interview. Today we're here with Kate Robertson.
Okay, how are you doing today, Kate?
Very good. How's the shoulder?
It's attached.
Please tell us what happened.
So I hurt my shoulder last year. Ended up having to get surgery on it in February.
So it's been a good recovery?
Definitely, I'm back way ahead of schedule, lifting weights. I can get 2 kilos.
Weights.
That is
Very impressive.
Hopefully you have big muscles like Holly.
That's also true.
Now, we've got a very surprising question. Not many people see this one coming.
So we've recently heard news that Ron is going to propose to Perkins in Poland. Now, what are your thoughts on this?
I'm backing it the entire way. I'm happy to be the ring bearer.
Really beautiful that is.
I want the best for them. I think it would be a beautiful match.
You're originally from New South Wales, am I correct?
I'm from Victoria.
Never mind. Take that back. She lives in my
I thought
state.
you were in state.
I got a picture with her one time.
Yeah, like we both played for Victoria.
Let's cut this out of the video.
What do you like best about Frisbee?
Everything, because it's different. You have to be really tall for basketball and stuff, like mostly and everything.
They
But
need
Frisbee, it
certain
doesn't
skills.
like.
It doesn't matter.
If you're tall, it helps, but you can still make it up.
You can
another
do
way.
what you
so like
wanna
you've
do.
got the opportunity to play regardless of your size. So,
Okay, well thanks Kate.
Thanks for joining us today. Hope you have
anytime.
a good recovery with your shoulder.
Yeah.
Good luck.